Love must be sincere. Hate what is evil. Cling to what is good. Romans chapter 12 verses 9. Hello family, warmest welcome back again. Today we'll be making the most delicious spicy barbecue chicken wings. Just in case you're looking for other ways to make your chicken wings, then congratulations, you found the right recipe right here. So please stick around and let's do this together. You're definitely going to love this. Here I have 800 grams of chicken wings. I just want to make sure that all the tips of the wings are very well cut because I do not want to leave that part, and they nicely did everything. I'm just cross checking that everything is done well. So after that is done, I'll just go ahead and wash it 2 times. Wash the first one with lime and go ahead and rinse it again with normal water. Is well seasoned. You can go ahead and deep fry it in your oil, but today I'll be using my air fryer, much more healthier way. You can also bake it in the oven as well. They are so good. It's going in for another 11 minutes and we will be done. And for the aluminum foil that you see, it really helps after you've used it, because previously, let me tell you, it was hard work to get this air fryer cleaned. So yes, I've been using this and it's way much easier for me to clean it afterwards. Okay, so our chicken is done, super tender and so juicy. Before we go ahead and make our sauce, I just want to also fry some French fries in the air fryer as well. It's just the healthiest possible way I can make this. This might be the easiest sauce that you've ever come across. All you need is your ketchup. I just scooped 2 ladles of it, and I also added 1.5 spoon of this barbecue sweet and smoky sauce. Just use any form of barbecue sauce that you have at home, and I also add 1 spoon of this sweet chili sauce and mix it all together. Fam, the sauce is done. The easiest peasiest sauce that you could ever make. You just warm it up for about 30 seconds and then go ahead and add your fried chicken wings. Fam, we are done. super simple. But the one thing that will make this stand out from anyone else's is to splash it off with some crushed dried chilies. Fam, that is the magic. That is where all the magic comes from. This is good. This is so good. But please, family, if you're sharing it with kids, please be sure to either skip the part of the crushed chilies because it's so spicy and they might not be able to handle it. Okay, it's either you just sprinkle a little bit or just completely ignore that part. Other than that, you're done and it's ready to be served. The balance between the sweet and the spice is just amazing. So incredible. That is it. You plate it as the queen and the kings that you are. Just enjoy your beautiful lunch, done under 30 minutes for sure. So good. You're going to enjoy this. I served it with some french fries that I earlier fried in the air fryer and my salad. Good to go. With any chilled drink of choice or even chilled water. But me, I am just a Sobolo addict. It's so much insane. I love my Sobolo. It's either Sobolo or water. Okay, so yes, thank you so much, family, for watching till the end. Please be sure to like this video and comment down below what you think about this recipe. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so much once again for watching, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video.